The anticipation is killing me. The plan is to apply my veneer to the doors. Usually what is recommended for first timers is to do peel and stick, which I didn't get. So what we're doing is spray adhesive. You apply it to both sides, the veneer and the door, and you wait 15 minutes before you apply it. So let's get to it. You want to make sure that your pieces are clean. So I have a tack cloth to just remove every little thing that could have still just sat on here. I have sanded it smooth because you want to have an even surface.